Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I package my orders for my small growing business. I got really good feedback from my last video, and my intention to share this video is just to help other small businesses and just give them ideas, okay? Not copy. Give you guys ideas on how to package your orders or just how to be a little bit more creative with them. I'm not saying that I have the most creative packaging ever. I still would love your guys' feedback. If you guys have any suggestions for me or any other YouTubers that you guys like to watch that do these type of videos, please let me know. I would love to check that out. I spend a lot of time watching other people's videos as well and just kind of sharing ideas off of each other. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. These orders that I'm going to be packaging are from Friday. I'm not going to be packaging all of my orders because I tend to talk a lot. Also, when I'm packaging orders on camera, I tend to slow down a lot, and I had quite a few orders on Friday. It was my first time having a Black Friday sale and also Cyber Monday. So I had a pretty busy weekend, and I couldn't film every single order because it would have just taken a long time. And I also wanted to make sure that my packages were shipped out immediately. I don't like to have people waiting on their packages. I personally hate that. So I just wanted to get my orders out as soon as possible. On Monday, for Cyber Monday, I made more sales than Friday and Saturday combined, and I thought it was like so cool because I had an idea to include makeup products that I receive in PR that I'm not using. With any purchase that you guys made on my website on Cyber Monday, you get 2 free gifts with purchase. So that's how I included my PR products into those packages. So my camera died, sorry. Anyway, I didn't what was I saying? Hopefully you guys find this video helpful if you are a small business owner, or if you just want to share ideas with me. I am more than happy to look at your guys' ideas for packaging. Again, I'm a small business, so I always look up different ways to not only save money, but also be a little creative and unique with my packaging. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I package my orders, then go ahead and keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Alright, we're going to start packaging a lash order. We have the style Baby Girl right here. Can you guys see it? I have to take it out. This is the style Baby Girl. We are completely sold out of this one right now. We will be restocking. And another Baby Girl. We have the style Beautiful and another style Beautiful. So we're going to be packaging these together. Let's just go ahead and do it like this. I'm kind of continuing to do the same thing as I previously did in my previous packaging video. Just fold this in, just like that. I'm going to kind of push the boxes further out that way and bring it in this way, bringing it in this way. And here we have the little pocket for my business card. I'm going to grab my stickers. These are from AVERY. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it like so. That makes room for my business card, little pocket right there. I'm going to use this poly mailer from You Pack and Ship and just place this in there. This customer also ordered our eyelash applicator and our facial scissors. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. I'm going to be giving 2 different cards right here. This has a discount code, and it just lets them know that we really do need reviews because some eyelashes will be discontinued. I will no longer continue to sell them on my website depending on the feedback that you guys leave us. And then I am going to send this little card right here showing them that we have a new nail collection, and you can get these press-on nail shapes right here. We have a nail cutter, we have rhinestones, the dotting tools, and there's so much more on our website. So let me just go ahead and slip that in there. And that, my darling, completes one order, and we have plenty more to go. These are all Black Friday orders, so here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and place the shipping label, and let's move on to the next package. Moving along over to this next order. This next order, they ordered the rhinestones and also the dotting set. You can pick up the rhinestones with this, and also you can do a lot of nail art with these. Let me just go ahead, and I still don't know what I'm going to do with this packaging. Like, I kind of want to do the same thing, but I also want to do something a little bit more festive. So let's see what we do here. So just like that. I want to use this little bell and wrap it. So I think that's what I'm going to do for this order right here. So let me figure this out. I think it needs to be longer. Let me put it right there. I'm gonna wrap it like this, and then like that, and then like this. I can just go ahead and cut it right here, and let's hope that works out. Oh gosh. I'm gonna go over here. No idea what I'm doing, but I hope it looks cute at the end. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna put my business card like that. That looks kind of cute, right? And then let's go ahead and put it inside. Let's add some of these in there. I just have to put the shipping label, and let's move on to the next order. She got some nail polishes, so I want to make sure that I put her nail polishes inside of a box because I just don't want them to break or anything like that. So I just recently also purchased a stamp. Looks like this. I ordered it off of Etsy. I will have the seller listed down below if I find the seller's, if the seller has like, well, yeah, the Etsy shop. I should be able to link it down below, but I really wanted to get a stamp to just stamp my logo on my white boxes, and I love it. I'm going to take some of this honeycomb paper and just put it down here at the bottom, just so that we have a little bit of cushion for the nail polishes. Let me put this to the side. I'm taking some of this bubble mailer, folding it in half for extra support. She ordered our nail polish set. This one is the baby girl set. A lot of pinks and peaches and glitter. That's why I named it the baby girl set. So we have the color peachy. We have the color pink drink. We have the color cream. We have the color starlight. This is a sparkling one. If you guys missed that tutorial on how I achieve my glittery nails, I'll have it linked down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. I show you guys how to use my press-on nails. And okay, so the way I'm going to package these nail polishes is I'm going to place one like going that way. Let's see that. I'm going to wrap it around. The next one, I'm going to be placing it like this. You can see that. Right there. I'm just going to wrap that as well. Next one, I'm going to be placing it like this. Just like that. And then this next one, like this. And there we have the nail polishes. I'm going to go ahead, place them inside of the box. Like that. I'm going to put one of these cards in there for her. I almost want to write her a I love you card. I'm going to give her a business card so she can tell all of her friends about me. She better not have more friends than me. I should be her only friend. I'm missing something. Oh yeah, I'm going to give her, leave me a review. And that completes this order here from my best friend. I appreciate her for supporting me. I love that. All right, this next order, once again, I have another little box. We're definitely going to need this one because there's bigger items. I'm going to place the honeycomb paper in there just for, you know, a little bit of extra filling. This here is our coffin nail set. There is glue in here, there's a nail filer, a cuticle pusher, and 500 pieces of press-on nails. So let me go ahead and put that inside of there. This customer also ordered 2 of the display nail holders. So if you struggle, if you apply your press-on nails directly onto your nails and then apply polish, sometimes you'll get it all around your cuticle area and it just does not look professional. So that's what these are for. You just place your press-on nails on here, and you can paint them on here and then just apply them once they're already painted. So that goes in there. And then, and also she ordered the nail cutter just in case her nails are too long, she can cut them. You just place your fingernail inside of here and then nip it. So yeah, there we have that. And then we're gonna give her a card and then give her another one of these, just letting her know that we have these nail colors and these other nail shapes. So let's put that in there. I'm gonna also put a business card in here, and that completes this next order. This next customer ordered 3 lashes of the style Beautiful, and it's not the first time she stocks up on these. I definitely am gonna be restocking these because I gotta do it for her. If you guys haven't tried the style out, it's so cute. You guys should check it out. I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just wrapping it the same exact way I've done to the others. Just going to scoot it down this way a little more. I need a better tripod. This one dances too much because my hand is like close to it and it keeps bumping into it. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and just bring this in. It's going to look a little bit wonky because there's 3 lashes. It's not an even number. So we're still going to try to make this look cute. I'm going to put another sticker and just put it right in there. Should I do this? I think I'm going to do this again. By the way, the bells, I bought these at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 16, and I just took off this cord right here and replaced it with this one. I already had this one from like little projects that I do with my kids. So it was just like leftover, and I have plenty of it, so why not use it? So I'm just going to be placing the bell right here in the front, crossing it in the back, like so, and then bringing it to the front, doing like little bow right here. First, let me tuck it in right here, put it under once again, like that. I'm going to place my business card right in there if it fits. Perfect. Voila. Festive, right? Let's go ahead and put that inside of there. I'm also gonna put this in here because just letting her know we have a new collection. Also putting in here the leave us a review. And that about does it for this order. Close it up. And let's move on to the next customer. This next customer ordered 2 nail holders, and we're just gonna wrap it in this purple tissue paper. By the way, I get my tissue paper from Target. I'm trying to find tissue paper that is like a nice lavender color. I looked on Amazon, but I couldn't find this type of quality. Like the ones that I get off of Amazon, they're so thin and they rip really easy. So I still haven't been able to find the right one. Let me go ahead and fold it over this way, and like that. Once again, I am gonna wrap this up with a little bell. I'm only doing this for like smaller packages because when I have like a lot, it's hard to wrap everything in like in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I have so many orders right now, and I feel like just because I'm filming, I'm slowing down. So I think this is going to be the last order that I do package. I think I did this wrong here. Did I? Yeah, I did do it wrong. Okay. Yeah, so I'm thinking this is going to be the last one I film because I really got to get a lot of things done. I have to set up some emails, and I just gotta get my work done, girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any suggestions in regards to the tissue, like I'm still on the lookout. I've looked up the brand that I'm buying these from. It's the Spritz brand from Target, and I can't find it anywhere. I'm just growing frustrated that I, you know, have to keep buying in small, like I want to buy in a big bulk so that I don't have to keep going over to Target when I run out. See, I'm focusing about staying in frame that I'm not getting anything done. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for being here today, and I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to sit down and support my channel. I also wanted to mention that I have a very limited amount of eyelashes left on my website, and they stayed discounted because I don't have a wide range for you guys to choose from. So this here is one of the eyelash styles that I currently have on my website that's still available. These are in the style Umph, and I also have the style GNO, which I'll go ahead and insert a picture so you guys can see the style. I will be launching some new eyelash styles, and we'll be restocking on some of the eyelashes that I already had on my website. Sometime, I'm hoping for the first week of January. I'm gonna go for a whole month without hardly any eyelashes on my website. So like I said, I wasn't prepared for that, but it's okay. I was already working on repackaging my boxes, the boxes that I currently have. I love them, but I wanted to include some extra information on the back of the boxes. And I'm also launching new styles, like I already mentioned. I'm so excited to share those with you, along with another little surprise that I'm going to throw in there that I'll be launching in the first week of January. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my newsletter if you haven't done so already. You can head over to my website, and at the footer of the website you'll see where you can enter your email so you're notified as soon as we do have the new styles available for you guys to purchase. Thank you guys so much if you supported my brand over the past weekend, and I'm very, very grateful to have your guys' support and believing in my little business. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!